Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Solana Pepe coin. It's quite easy to get this token. Open up your browser, that's at the bottom right. Open up your browser. Once it's opened up, simply scroll through coinmarketcap.com using our link, and you'd find the contract address for the Solana Pepe. Make sure you copy this contract address, minimize, and simply open up a wallet. That's a wallet that supports Solana, that's Solana transactions, like the Trust wallet or the Phantom wallet, both of which work the same way. So for this video, we're going to be working with Trust Wallet. Open up your Trust Wallet. With your Trust Wallet opened up, please make sure you have some Solana. That is, you have some Solana on your Trust Wallet application. So make sure you have Solana here. That's mainnet Solana. If you do not, click on the buy option to use your credit card to purchase some of the Solana tokens. Now, once you've gotten yourself some Solana, your next step is to head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So at the bottom right corner of the screen, we're going to be making use of radium.io. So click on the link, which is going to be in the description of the video, to get to radium.io. Once on radium.io, make sure your wallet is connected by using the Connect Wallet option at the top right. So at the top right corner of the screen, you can find the Connect Wallet option. Once you found this option, turn off the version transaction at the top of the screen. Once this is turned off, you could simply, in place of Radium, click on the Radium token and paste the contract address for the Sol Pepe we copied. Paste the contract address here. And once the Solana Pepe has been pasted, simply click on Solana Pepe as the token we wish to convert to. Click on I understand. And now we're going to be making use of the Solana we have on our wallet to be getting some Solana Pepe. So all you need to do now is enter an amount you wish. So let's say half of the Solana I've got. All you need to do now is simply click on the swap option, and you'd be simply swapping your Solana into the Solana Pepe. And once that's done, all you need to do is simply close the browser, head to your home icon where we have the crypto tab at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this manage crypto tab, click on the plus icon where we have tokens and network. Make sure you're on the tokens option. Click on Ethereum, select Solana, paste the contract address for Solana Pepe, click on import. Once you've selected import, all you need to do now is a simple reload, and you'd find the Solana Pepe on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy Solana Pepe, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.